In this video, we're going to encrypt and decrypt a secret message using Python. First up, we import Fernet from the cryptography module. This tool lets us lock a message and then unlock it, kind of like a digital vault. We start by generating a key using fernet.generateKey. And here's something cool. Every time you run this, it creates a brand new random key. No two runs will give you the same one, just like magic. Next, we create a cipher object using that key. This object is going to handle both encrypting and decrypting our message. Now let's talk secrets. We define a message, in this case, hello. This is a secret, and it needs to be in bytes, so we add that little b at the beginning. We then use our cipher to encrypt it, and boom, just like that, our message is scrambled into a bunch of unreadable characters. You'll see it on the screen. It looks like total gibberish. But here's the twist. We can reverse it. We take the encrypted message and run decrypt on it. And there it is. Our original message is back, safe and sound, just like opening a digital lock with the right key. This is a great way to protect sensitive data, like passwords, tokens, or confidential notes, especially if you're storing them temporarily. Now you know how to turn secret messages into unreadable chaos and bring them back like a Python magician.